Hi, everyone. This is it. It's week 8. This is our last week together and your last week in the Innovation Scholars Program. Congratulations on all your hard work and all that you've accomplished. Now, let's talk about what you will be doing in Module 8 of History 100. So, this week, you will start by explaining the significance of a selected topic. Then we're going to move on to a discussion about where history ends and where current events begin. Our last section of the course has a circling back around to things we talked about in week 1, why it's important to study history. So this week you do have 2 assignments. You have your week 8 discussion board, and it's titled Your Perception of History. Your initial post to this discussion board is due by Tuesday, April 20th. Your 2 response posts are due by Friday, April 23rd. Now, your last assignment for this week is the culmination of all the work you've put into your topic. You'll be submitting your Project 3 assignment. That assignment is due on Friday, April 23rd. Because this is the final week of the course, I cannot accept any assignments after 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, April 25th. So please make sure that you get all of your work submitted before that deadline. And as always, there'll be announcements for both of these assignments during the week. If you need any support from me, you can always come visit me during my office hours from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday. I am also available through email, and you can post your questions in that general questions discussion board. Don't forget about the live lecture. It's on Tuesday from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Instructors John Hebel and Ryan Tripp will be going over all the topics for the week and giving you extra information on all of your assignments, especially that Project 3. If you're unable to attend the lecture live, you can always watch a recording of that live lecture, and you'll find all the information for this in the announcements. So I hope that you all have a terrific last week, and remember, if you need me, I'm here for you. Thank you so much for watching.